up my people? It's your boy Team Big now. So hungry, don't wire my head today. I see my good friend, I go chop now. So now I'm be this I road. I get 1K as my last card for one now. I shall they go market, make I go find it, I go eat. So now the environment be this, so I shall the video everywhere. Shall see them everywhere, take the neat and tidy and well kept. So these are the kitty, very fine. And I shall go inside market. Oh, I don't reach market. I won't go where I won't buy something. I can't go my customer side now. So now inside with this, so the guy know they shall. Can't they ask all those people? They say, in commercial, I can't come. I have to wait for him because I don't get money. You understand now? So I can't wait for him now. I can't say okay, I put off for me tomato pepper on your 300. And she can't say I can't go buy Maggi. I buy Maggi 100 naira. Oh, now go and buy pomo 200 naira. The girl put on for me make plenty. Oh, my sister friend. I buy a 400 naira, 300 naira. Oh, now so I buy. I can't go buy Iru. I buy Iru 50 naira. Oh no, I shall spend 950 for the 50 naira I left my pocket. I shall put her inside my thing. So I can't go out. I can't say and they don't open this Ado Kitty bus terminal something like that. Everywhere come for there, can't they well organized. Oh wow, this is so good of them. See the name for there. Actually, I can't go back house. I don't go fetch water now. I don't fetch water. I won't cut my F4, so I don't they come out the leaf from the stick. So I don't put off my waste per boy my F4 now. I can't they grate my pepper now. You understand? So I grate my pepper and my tomatoes and for here. I don't grate them. My sister they help me wash my pomzi. That's the pomo. So I see my editing and they fire the parboil shower. So I don't cut everything, I don't parboil everything now. So I the fire, I call the pop pepper inside my Iru so that I go fry them together. So I can't fry everything now. Forget about my smoke, forget the smoke, they make the food sweet. Now my pepper and my Maggi and my sauce with this, so I don't put my Maggi inside. So it may make sense. I can't put my pomzi. My washed pomzi, I can't put that inside one. So that may make sense. I can't stay on together, So for this place, I don't they put my parboil for inside. So never find So I can't put my this on fire. Now my F4 be this, so it don't everywhere. Don't make sense. So I can't do a bar. Come on, do F1. Oh God, SARS don't done. Forget the many story. My F1, my bad. Some people say F1, but no, it makes sense. I come on inside pot. F1, but makes sense. When I chop my thing, and maybe this, I shall enjoy myself. My F1, see my sister, they shall enjoy. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.